Welcome back to M.B.C. Today we'll be making some easy and healthy banana pancakes. The ingredients you will need are 1/3 cup of oats, any type of oats as long as they're not flavored, rolled, traditional, quick, an egg, a banana, and if you want to, you can add some vanilla extract or essence. Either way, doesn't really matter, either works. The utensils you will need are a fry pan that has been greased with either oil or butter, a spatula, a spoon for putting all your stuff into the fry pan, and a NutriBullet or a blender or a food processor, whatever you have, just to blend up all your ingredients. Blend your oats until the consistency of flour. The consistency of your oat flour should look like this. Now mix up your banana and your egg. Your batter should look something like this. Put your fry pan on medium heat. Here are our finished banana pancakes. Don't they look delicious? Enjoy them with your favorite toppings. Thanks for watching M.B.C. Bye! See you next time!